What is your payload?
Our payload this year is biological nature. Last year it was
a radiation experiment. Let's say.
Yeah, it was an experiment regarding that was supposed to measure the dose of radiation in troposphere. Was it? Yeah. So this year is a biological experiment. It will the structure is we plan on having a microscope-like structure inside the payload bay. So that means it will contain a camera and magnifying the appropriate magnifying lenses. The goal of the experiment is to record a blood sample and from a patient with sickle cell disease and observe its performance. So there will be two phases. The first one will be during the ascent and after the liftoff, more specifically. And the goal is to see the effects of that hypergravity has on red blood cells. And the second phase is about the sickling of the sickle cell disease. It will actually be a deployable payload. And the plan is to observe how the red blood cells are affected by the lower partial pressure of oxygen that exists in high altitudes. And so hopefully we'll have footage of cells sickling during descent. And the plan is to compare this data with the data we have gathered from laboratory experiments here on Earth and compare the two.